The translucent wave tape works only with specialist wave head rails. Inside the head rail, you've got a cord running the full width with hooks set at preset intervals, either 60mm or 80mm apart. When you look at the tape itself, it is designed to work with either of these two spacings, either the 60mm or the 80mm. You can see a white line both at the top and the bottom of your tape. The nicks or the white marks in the white line are the hook points. Without getting too complicated, the wider spacing works with the 80mm and the narrower spacing works with the 60mm. So from here on in, it's fairly straightforward. You'll know from your track what spacing you need to work on and therefore choose the appropriate side of the tape. In terms of fullness, we would normally work on about 2.5 times fullness. I would suggest that you work on that 2.5 times fullness, but plus ½ meter. That allows you to centralize the tape when you make the curve. Right, having put all the hooks in place, what we need to do is to cut the tape in two. If you've got two curtains at the window, then you're going to need to find a central point. And I suggest that you go halfway between the hooks and cut. You've then got a left-hand piece of tape and a right-hand piece of tape. Starting on the leading edge of each curtain, work outwards towards the trailing edge. Remember that you need to have the S starting at the wall and finishing at the wall at the end. So I would suggest you double check that you've got an even amount of hooks on each sides of the tape. To get the full impact of these gorgeous wave curtains, they need to start at the wall and finish at the wall. That's the reason we're suggesting that there are an even number of hooks for each curtain. Thanks for watching. Any more information, email info@roomserve.co.uk.